Hi students, I am Tenmuri, an English teacher from Bharati Vidyalaya Metric High Secondary School. Today we are going to see the supplementary Zigzag written by Asha Nehemiah. Now, shall we see about the author? Asha Nehemiah, born in 1958 at Chennai, has lived, studied, and worked in 8 different cities and small towns and is now a resident of Bangalore. She has always been interested in writing. Her love for reading led her to study literature in college. If she had not been a writer, she would have been a teacher. Humor, fantasy, mystery, and adventure are the strong elements in her work. She loves baking, walking, reading, and traveling. Students, tell me some examples for pet animals. You're seeing in the picture dog, cat, cow, goat. These are all pet animals. Now, pet birds, hen, parrot. Okay, now we are going to see about a different bird named Zigzag and the problems faced by a family because of this bird. Shall we go into the story? Before entering into the story, we shall see the characters and their roles in the story. Dr. Ashok T. Krishnan is the central character of the story. He is a child specialist. Mrs. Krishnan, wife of Dr. Krishnan, is a talented artist. Dr. Somu, Dr. Krishnan's cousin, went to Alaska. Maya is Dr. Krishnan's daughter, 9 years old. Arvind is Dr. Krishnan's son. Visu is the old cook of Somu. Lakshmi is the maid. And Mrs. Junjunwala is the art critic. The African witch doctor was the trainer of the bird Zigzag. Zigzag, the bird, is the hero of the story. Dr. Krishnan's clinic was very noisy. Dr. Somu requested Dr. Krishnan to keep his pet bird Zigzag for a few days. Dr. Krishnan has not accepted his request, but Dr. Somu thought that his request was accepted because of the noise in the clinic. So, there was a great confusion at his house. Maya and Aravind were excited, but Mrs. Krishnan recalled the problems faced because of Dr. Somu's gifts. The rare insect eating plant from the Amazonian forest. They had to keep a room heater for that plant. The penknife, it spoiled all the fans of Arvind. The boomerang, it caused a great confusion in the car sheds and the neighborhoods. So, these gifts were the problematic gifts. But, different from them, Zigzag would talk and sing in 21 languages. Mrs. Krishnan thought Zigzag as a disturbance for her artwork, but Aravind thought of taking Zigzag to the science exhibition. The Zigzag was a different bird which Dr. Krishnan's family had never seen before. Visu introduced about that bird that it could recite French poetry, it knows 21 languages, and it would be a peculiar gift to them. Now, Arvind brought fruits for it because the bird did not show any reaction before them. He wanted to attract the bird, so he brought some fruits for it. But the bird deposited the fruits on the blades of the fan and the chandelier. All the family members expected for the bird's poetry. The bird, perched on the curtain wall, fell asleep and began to snore. Though they tried a lot, they could not wake it up and stop its snore, which disturbed all the neighbors. When Lakshmi switched on the fan, papayas and bananas rained in the room and also in the painting. The painting, which Mrs. Krishnan admired the most, the sunset at Marina, was rained by the papayas and the papaya seeds. Not only this, the children also were affected. Maya was hearing the snoring sound all the day. Her ears were not at all hearing anything. Next, Arvind. He never liked to go to school, but now his school seemed to be a peaceful place comparing to the snoring of Zigzag. The neighbors started calling Mrs. Krishnan and inquire about the sound in their house. The art critic Mrs. Zunzunwala told her to make her singing class in a low voice. Mrs. Krishnan called Mr. Krishnan and complained about this. Mr. Krishnan told Mrs. Krishnan that they could find an easy way to stop the snoring of Zigzag. Mr. Krishnan emailed Somu. He waited for 6 days that Mr. Somu would reply him. On the 6th day, Somu replied that I have never heard Zigzag snore. In fact, Zigzag hardly ever sleeps. If you are finding it difficult, ask my cook Visu to keep Zigzag. This was the reply from Somu to Mr. Krishnan. Mrs. Krishnan asked to take Zigzag immediately for her peaceful painting selection with her friends. Mr. Krishnan wanted to keep it for some time, but Mrs. Krishnan could not keep it at home. So, no other way, he had to take it to the hospital. Mr. Krishnan took it to hospital. At that time, when the car reached the hospital, the bird, it was active immediately. It went to the nurse. It started commanding the students, children in the hospital. It maintained utter silence in the hospital. All the patients were looking to it because it ordered in a commanding way and controlled the children. Then it began to attract the children by its French poetry. Now, Mrs. Krishnan also called Dr. Krishnan and told that her painting colored by Zigzag was sold for rupees 5,000. Now, the problematic bird became a useful bird. Ziggy Zaga, king of the Tanga. This was the name of the bird. It can talk and sing in 21 languages. It can recite French poetry. It was managing the patients in clinic. It was an absolute treasure for the family. So, the family decided to keep it for another week. From this story, we can understand that how we see the things, we can get the results. Nothing is going to get better until you see things in a right way. Thank you.